Imagine stepping into your car and being welcomed by a fresh, uplifting scent that instantly relaxes and energizes you. No harsh chemicals, no artificial fragrances, just pure organic essential oils, carefully blended to create a perfect ambience for your drive. Sounds amazing, right? Well, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own luxurious, all-natural car diffusers. Whether you want to make these for yourself or start a small business selling them, this is a skill you would love mastering. So stick around and let's get crafting. Welcome back to Skilled Hands, the home of creativity and empowerment through artisan crafts. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because we share valuable tutorials on a variety of crafts, from dressmaking to bag making, soap making, jewelry making, and more. Our goal is to help you turn your creative passion into something you can sell and profit from. Now let's dive into today's tutorial. I will be making 5 car diffuser bottles, each holding 10 ml of car diffuser oil. The essential oils I have chosen for this blend are my top notes, Bergamot, which is fresh, citrusy, and uplifting. For my middle note, I chose sweet orange, which is warm, slightly fruity, and comforting. For my base note, I chose sandalwood, which is rich, woody, and long-lasting. Gathering our materials and tools, before we begin, let's go over the tools and ingredients we'll be using. 1. 3 organic essential oils, bergamot, sweet orange, and sandalwood. A plant-based car diffuser base. This is an eco-friendly and organic alternative to synthetic diffusers. It helps the fragrance release slowly and last longer. 3. We've got a 5 car diffuser bottles. Each comes with a wooden cork to help diffuse the scent. 4. 2 beakers, one for measuring the diffuser base and the other for blending the oils. 5. I've got 3 pipettes, one each for every essential oils to prevent cross-contamination. And 6. A small digital scale. This helps ensure you get accurate measurements. I'm using an organic plant-based diffuser base, which is a natural alternative to alcohol-based bases. It is derived from renewable plant materials and does not release harmful chemicals. This makes it safe for enclosed spaces like cars, whilst ensuring a slow, even fragrance release. The essential oils I selected are not only beautifully fragrant, but also beneficial. Bergamot reduces stress and improves mood. Sweet orange promotes relaxation and mental clarity. Sandalwood, on the other hand, is grounded and helps create a warm, calming atmosphere. Now let's carry on measuring our ingredients. Since each diffuser bottle holds 10 ml, we need to calculate the total amount of ingredients for all 5 bottles. So for our fragrance blend, which is 30%, we are going to be needing 15 ml total, which is for our bergamot, we are going to need a 4.5 ml. That is making 30% of our fragrance blend, okay? And the sweet orange is going to be 6 ml. That is going to be 40% of our fragrance blend. And our sandalwood is going to be 4.5 ml, and that is going to be 30% of our fragrance blend. Now our diffuser base is going to form 70% of our whole solution, and for that we are going to be measuring exactly 35 ml of that. So this means that for each single bottle of 10 ml, our fragrance blend will be 3 ml total. And for the bergamot, that is going to be 0.9 ml. Sweet orange is going to be 1.2 ml. And sandalwood is going to be 0.9 ml. Our diffuser base will then be 7 ml. Now that we have our measurements, let's start the process. First, Measure 7 ml of the plant-based diffuser base into a clean beaker. Next, measure each essential oil separately using the pipette and add them to another beaker. Then we move on to mixing our oils. We are going to pour the measured essential oils into the base solution and stir gently to blend. Now we are going to allow the mixture to sit for a few minutes to let the oils integrate properly. Then we would move on to filling the bottles. Using a clean pipette or small funnel, carefully transfer the blended diffuser solution into your car diffuser bottle. For me, my beaker had a spout that allowed me to gently and carefully pour the solution into my bottles. Then I went ahead to seal the bottles with a cork diffuser, ensuring they are secure. For a final touch and testing, I shake the bottle lightly to ensure the oils are well distributed. Voila, basically that is it. Very quick and easy, isn't it? So if you're using this by yourself, you can go ahead and attach the car diffuser to your rear view mirror and allow the scent to diffuse naturally. Or if you're going to be selling this, you can package it beautifully and sell it. Remember, packaging is everything, and that is what draws the customer to your product in the first place. So consider beautiful packaging and remember to go green on your packaging. And just like that, we've created 5 beautifully scented all-natural car diffusers. These make fantastic gifts, can be sold as part of a craft business or simply enjoyed in your own car. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Skilled Hands for more craft tutorials. We are all about helping you turn your creativity into something profitable. What scent combinations would you like to try next? Let me know in the comment below. Until next time, keep crafting and keep creating.